So welcome back to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. Today we're going to do a little quick tip on how you can actually put a task in TickTick while you're driving down the road. So if you have a modern car and you have your phone hooked up to, say, CarPlay, and I have an iPhone, so mine's hooked up to CarPlay, you can, on a modern car, if you look here at the steering wheel, you see I have a button here. It's got a little speaker icon there. And all you have to do to actually create a task inside of TickTick is just this. Now, let's say I want to purchase milk, okay? So you just hold this down, create a task in TickTick to purchase milk.
Okay, I added purchase milk to the inbox list in TickTick.
And it's just that simple, guys. Really quick and easy. All you have to do, like I say, is push this down, hold it, create a task in TickTick to run away to Florida.
Okay, I added runaway to Florida to the inbox list in TickTick.
Just that simple, guys. You're driving down the road, you got an idea that you thought of, and you don't want to wait till you get to your work or wherever your destination is to enter it in TickTick then. Really hands-free, easy way to get that into TickTick. So I hope y'all enjoyed this episode. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more tips and tricks on TickTick or other things, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.